Last night, I come back from the office. I walk into the house. My wife, Heather, has got her giant bag. She's got one of those 42-gallon Stanley water containers and her planner all sprawled out on the kitchen counter. And I say, Heather, why did you put this there? What do you think the reaction from her was when I said, why'd you put that there? Somebody unmute themselves.
Probably snapped back at you.
Probably snapped back at me. Why? Why would she have snapped back at me?
She probably felt like you were accusatory or just attacking her, just that initial response.
Accusing her, attacking her. Exactly right. Why am I bringing this up? We all know what happens when we make an assumption, right? Heather would assume that I'm being accusatory, that I am attacking her, that I'm being aggressive, that I have some sort of agenda. I'm bringing this up in our Easton University coaching session because it's really important, both in our personal lives and in our professional lives, to state our intentions. What if I had walked in and said, hey Heather, why did you put this here? I want to make sure that you don't have a system. It looks like you've got your planner out there. It looks like you got your water bottle. And it looks like you were getting some work done here at the kitchen counter and I was going to start cooking and I don't want to mess you up. I don't want to jump in and mess up your system. How would my wife have felt then? Oh, no, I'm not doing anything. Or maybe she did have a system. I'm doing a plan for my Pilates class and I appreciate you saying that because yeah, if you can just give me a minute, let me tuck all this stuff away so when I go to teach class tomorrow, I've got my stuff that I've written out for my class. It's no different in our business scenarios. Like if you go and you're doing this all the time, I do it all the time. The reason why we do this all the time is we know what's going on in our head, but we forget that our spouse, our friends, our children, and our clients are not what? Mind readers. We forget that they can't read our intentions. We forget that they can't read our mind. So we say things like, why do you want real-time reporting? And the person goes, well, clearly, they don't have real-time reporting and now they're trying to because we need real-time reporting, damn it. Because our CEO, Gina, that's a must-have. If you guys don't have it, we'll just go ahead and cut the meeting short. Versus, hey, why do you want real-time reporting? The reason why I ask is we've worked with a lot of clients that the term real-time reporting is what they're using. But when it turns out, when we kind of dig into the situation, what they really would like is push reports. And what I mean by push reports is they want to make sure that the leadership team has very specific reports that show up either in their inbox or on their dashboard at a very specific time versus real-time reporting. What I mean by real-time reporting is you being able to go in and ad hoc run reports. Which is it for you? Now, when you state your intention, things are a lot more collaborative. When you state your intentions, just like my wife feeling attacked, feeling like I was being aggressive, feeling like, I'm trying to bully my way through why'd you put that there? Why do you want real-time reporting? And I know we don't say, why do you want real-time reporting with that tonality? But tonality really doesn't matter oftentimes when you say things like, why do you want real-time reporting? Right? Why do you guys need a 6-month contract? Your client hears that you're trying to be aggressive. Does this make sense? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.